Hey guys, another tiny surprise for you. Our very popular 650 square foot Pinewood Paradise. There's 2 bedrooms in this sucker. There's a wide open living, dining, kitchen area. As soon as you're inside, it instantly feels a lot larger than it is. Look at this work of art. You know, it is an in construction progress video. Let's go check it out. Hey everyone, welcome to the inside of our Pinewood Paradise model. So again, we have 650 square feet, 2 bedroom. We're gonna start with this huge open area right in the middle. This will be a open kitchen, dining, living area. There's almost 250 square feet right here. Nice sloped ceiling, windows in the front. You know, one space-saving feature any tiny home should incorporate is minimizing or eliminating all hallway spaces. The reason why this house feels so comfortable being so small is the fact that there's no hallways. It's just one big open concept kitchen, dining, living area. 1 bedroom right here has its own entrance, its own doorway. That is going to lead outside to an exterior patio space. Secondary bedroom right here. These bedrooms are both about 10 feet by 11 feet large. There is a shared washroom right at the back of this floor plan. 50 square foot washroom space, very comfortable in a tiny home. And most importantly, with regards to space saving, passive house typical small utility spaces. No heating and cooling system goes in the utility space, so it allows us to make it as small as possible. Okay, now let's go to the walls. These walls are often referred to as thick-ass walls because of the overall thickness. You can see inside this door the depth of the actual wall system. So R75 insulation goes into this wall. Total thickness is 20 inches. And ultimately this wall consists of an interior 2x6 wall. This is the load-bearing wall. It goes on the inside so that the roof system, everything load-bearing, can stay inside an exterior passive envelope. So I have an interior 2x6 wall, an exterior 14-inch wall. This 14-inch wall is ultimately considered the thermal blanket that a passive home needs to operate properly. Okay, so total 20 inches thick. You can see cellulose, dense packed cellulose. There's a little bluish tinge to the cellulose, and that's because this cellulose is an all borate product. Any wood fiber-based insulation needs to be made fire retardant. Keeping it healthy and fire retardant, borate is put into the cellulose that we use. Borate's a natural mineral, so it doesn't compromise air quality, and not only makes the insulation fireproof, but also mold-proof and bug-proof. R75 is ultimately the insulation value in the 20-inch wall system compared to an R20 or R22 code-built wall. So essentially 3 times the amount of insulation goes into the wall. That, along with the airtightness that is a result of a passive home, is what allows these homes to ultimately operate like a thermos. So check out these windows just installed. Nice Neufer product from Germany. They turn in, allowing maximum ventilation opportunity. Handle turn upwards. The windows tilt in for still effective ventilation, also good for security reasons. Super thick glass, triple glaze, passive house requirement. Also passive house requirements to have a low E coating so that heat can be reflected back to the inside of the home in the winter, and also a high solar heat gain coefficient so that when the sun is coming through these windows at a low angle, all of that free energy comes into the home. Face the home south where possible and use that free energy where possible as well to reduce demand on the heating system. So similar to the thick-ass walls, we also have a thick-ass roof. Okay, R75 goes into the walls, but in the roof, about R110 goes in there at an insulation level. Standard code roof system is at R40, it's about triple the insulation. You can see the vapor barrier sheathing, the zip sheathing, is also on the ceiling side of the roof trusses for acting as a vapor barrier. Gives the home a lot of extra strength and protects this house for generations to come. We often get asked the question lots about the snow load. Can this roof accommodate any snow load? Absolutely it can. You can see the roof line appears flat. It's actually very low slope, approximately a 5 to 10 degree angle on the roof system. These designs all get engineered to the 1 in 100 year snowfall. Ultimately, this roof can support 150 pound per square foot snow load, no problem, making it suitable for ultimately all climates, including Lake Tahoe, California, which we've all heard in the news last year. Everyone's roof caving in. Not the case with these suckers. This is how we build our houses here in Ottawa, Ontario, where we get lots of snow. Thanks for watching this walkthrough of the Tiny Paradise model. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to ask us. We want to get you the information that you need. And it was great showing you this place. Stay tuned for more.